Hey everyone. All right, so the next couple of days you guys are going to be working on preparing to make a zipper pouch. So I briefly showed you guys yesterday what mine is about to look like. I haven't finished it as a zipper pouch, obviously, but basically this piece of felt will be folded in half, and then the zipper will go on the top, and then the edges will be sewn. So what you're going to do over the next couple of days is just decide how you want to have your pouch decorated and cut those pieces out. So for mine, I cut out a big rectangle for the legacy and then just used a fabric marker to draw in legacy. And then I cut out 2 lightning bolts. So you guys are gonna need at least 3, what do you call them? Things on your zipper pouch. So mine I only have on the front. You can certainly cut extra to make more on the back. You guys can make this as creative as you want. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna come up to the front of the room. There is one big box that has the felt bases. So I do want you guys to only use these for the bases of your project. So these are 8 by 12 and they will get folded in half when you go to make them. So when you're cutting out your, decorations for them or whatever, make sure that, you have it folded in half, since that's how it's going to end up. And again, you can do the front and the back. So you'll need 1 piece of these. Take only 1. Do not use these to cut up for decorations. Okay. These little guys over here are what you're going to use to cut up for decoration. So there's all different colors, and you guys will use these to cut up for minimum of 3 decorations for your zipper pouch. So when we get to sewing this, you're not going to sew anything yet, because each one of these is going to be a specific type of stitch. So each of these has different types of stitches. The sides are going to be sewn with a specific stitch, and the zipper will get sewn on the top with a specific stitch. All you're going to do over the next 3 days is just cut out the pieces that you want, and again, 3 minimum. Okay, there are fabric shears up front here for you to use to cut. Regular straight edge, and then if you wanted to do any with the zigzag scissors, you're welcome to. Felt doesn't fray, so using the straight scissors is fine. If you want to make sure that everything fits or just stays in place, there's a bunch of straight pins up here. So over the next couple of days, if as you get stuff cut out, you want to go ahead and pin it, you are welcome to do so, just so that it stays in place. Just make sure when you pin it, you're only going through 1 thickness of the felt, so that you still have that pouch part on the top. Lastly, if you did not get to do the hand sewing or finish the hand sewing, there's 2 things that needed to be done for hand sewing this past week on Monday and Tuesday. So it was correct knots and sewing on a button. So if you weren't here either of the days and you still need a sewing kit, those are in this purple bin at the front of the room. There's also instruction sheets as well as fabric squares. So everything you should need is in there. Instructions are here, double-sided. So you'll need to do 2 samples. They can be on the same fabric square or on different ones, but there are 2 sets of things that you guys will need to get done. So if you haven't done that or haven't finished that, I would suggest working on that first while everybody else is up here getting supplies, and then work on cutting out your decor for your zipper pouches after that. I'm going to show you guys some examples of not necessarily the zipper pouch we're going to do, but ways you can use felt in fun ways to decorate the bags, to give you guys some inspiration. See you guys on Tuesday.